All right, so you found yourself with safe mode enabled on your Android, and now you're wondering, how on earth do I get out of this thing? The answer is simpler than you'd think. You're simply going to restart your phone normally. Depending on your phone, you'll hold down the side button, or a combination of the side button and volume up or volume down. On my phone, for example, it's power and volume up. I'll hold that down, then tap restart, and that's it. Another way to do this, swipe down from the top right corner. And on some phones, swipe down twice to view the full quick settings panel. And once you're there, either at the top or bottom, you'll see a power button. Tap that, tap restart, and after that, your phone will boot back up in its normal state out of safe mode. Now, if for some reason your phone boots right back into safe mode after restarting, there's two common causes worth checking. 1. A stuck volume down button. Android actually triggers safe mode at startup if the volume down button is being held during boot, so make sure your phone case isn't pressing against it and there's no physical debris stuck holding it down. If you're still having issues after that, you can always do a full force restart instead. Hold down the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and your manufacturer's logo appears. That'll force restart the phone and should also get you out of safe mode. And that is how you exit safe mode on Android. If this video fixed your issue, I'd love it if you'd let me know by clicking that like button down there. Thanks all.